Look around your house and you for sure will find an unused corner lying dead since a while. Hi, my name is Kavita. I'm a bespoke interior designer, and let me help you today and take you through a step-by-step tutorial to recreate one such corner as a reading nook. Let's get started.
To start with, select a corner in your desired space. Make sure it's well lit or has provision to put a floor or a table lamp. Now bring in a tall planter with soft leaves and contained foliage. Grab a comfortable single sofa or a cozy lounge chair. Nothing like a recliner though. Hang a couple of artworks around or bring one large canvas and keep it on the floor. Add a colorful floor rug. Next, bring a small coffee table or a side table depending upon your space and needs. A footstool is always welcome to prop your feet on. Keep a nice tray on the table to hold your favorite knickknacks. Start by keeping a small indoor plant. Layer it with some accessories. Check and add more greens if you feel the need to. Now add a throw. Your favorite coaster for your teacup. Grab that book and feet up.